Today on Make Shape Create, we're making a USB outlet lamp that charges your phone. Hey guys, I'm Corey, this Make Shape Create, and today we're making a new outlet lamp. So we did this a few years ago. God, it's been a little while. Anyway, we still use it to this day. Problem is, because it's very tall and narrow, it tips very easily. So we're gonna remedy that today. We're gonna make version 2.0. The original lamp will be linked up here, but let's get started. So one of the things we're gonna do differently this time is we're gonna make it like a trapezoid or a pyramid with the top cut off, however you wanna say it. This should give it a bigger base, a smaller top, and still allow for the outlet and all that to be in the middle. So we're just gonna try cutting this at a 45. I don't know if this is gonna work. We're gonna try it. It will or it won't, right? Right. So my plan originally was I was going to, I don't know where the piece is. I don't know. I was gonna put 45-degree angles on all these, that way they fit together nice. But that was really complicated. I probably should have done that before I cut these into individual pieces. So we're not gonna worry about that because this is all gonna be covered anyway. I'm not going for the wood look. I got another plan for it. Yeah. So we're just gonna cut all these out. Okay, so I've done a couple of tests. I forgot that I do need this to be at a 45 so that everything sits flush. I forgot about that. So now I've got everything cut, and we're going to use this kind of like a router table and do it that way. For the finish of these, we're gonna use resin. It's been a while since I used resin, and I thought it would be a cool look. That's why I kind of have these kind of joined together the way I do, because then hopefully the pattern will flow over all the sides. I am doing the back and the top separately, just because they all won't fit on here, and it'll be the back. It's not quite as important. So let's get this mixed up, add some color, and hopefully this looks cool. So one thing I wanted to do is I don't need it. I could do it a different way, but I'm just going to use a really light panel or slick panel, wherever you want to call it, for the outside underneath the plugs and stuff. So I already scuffed it up. We're just going to use some paint to get it colored. All our resin has cured. Now I've already done, like I said, some of the finishing to knock down the sides and stuff like that from where it bled. We need to cut our hole in this one for our box and all that. So, holes cut out, edges are sanded and cleaned up. Like I said, we're going to use some 5-minute epoxy to join all this together. This is about as straight and as square as I'm gonna get this thing. I'm gonna have some finishing to do, and that's okay. Gonna let this dry, and then I will fill in what I can, where I can, how I can, and kind of go from there. There might just be gaps, and that'll be okay. It'll work. It's not gonna be perfect. Most of the resin, or 5-minute epoxy, whatever you want to call it, is dried. Not totally, but most of it. But a lot of gaps. So I want to try to fill in some of the gaps with some more 5-minute epoxy. We're probably gonna have to go over this thing again with another coat of just regular resin. It's a lot of 5-minute epoxy, but it is all as filled as I'm gonna be able to get it with that. I do totally think I'm gonna need to probably go over this with, like I said, another coat of regular resin. I am doing resin again. All right, I think it's just a green mess, but the good thing is it should all be one piece now. Okay, so resin's all cured, and this is an example of a happy accident. I really like the resin overspill on the bottom of this. I might keep that, but I'm not sure. It looks really cool, and I really like it. But I haven't decided yet. We are cutting it off. Let's get to it. I lied, no we're not. I like it too much. Let's see if I did this right. Hey, okay, that's good. Let's see if we did this right. Okay. What's not right? I'm gonna start doing this without unplugging it. That would have been bad. Let's see. Okay, so I don't think that's the problem. Try this again. I think this is still recording. Hey, okay. Hey, look at that. That's what the problem was, guys. Hey. We have light. Okay. So one thing is I goofed. I wired half of it through the box and half of it not through the box. So now I have to undo some wires to get this. I have to undo this one and one of these. Thread this through the top and then redo it. But at least I don't have to redo too much. All done, guys. I love this lamp. It is, I think, a definite improvement on the first one. You don't have to worry about tipping over, which was the goal. This resin overpour was not part of the plan, but I love it. It kind of looks like it's melting, which is kind of cool. Yeah. So if you would like to see more videos like this, we're going to have a playlist right here you can check out. YouTube or Google's going to suggest something for you down here. You can, hopefully you'll like it. I think you will. And if you subscribe up there, you won't miss another video. And we'll see you in that one. See you guys.